If you want to turn on voice controls for your GoPro Hero 9, all you need to do is go to settings, so swipe down on the screen, and then you want to do a quick swipe to the right, and then go to preferences. Under preferences, you should see voice control right there under general, so tap on that, and then tap on voice control to turn that on. Select on, and once it's turned on, you should see that it has been turned on because it says on right there. Now you can choose whether you want to wake the GoPro up using voice commands or not by selecting that, and then also you can choose the language for the voice commands. Mine is English by default, of course, because of the region I am in. And also you can check out some of the common commands that you can give your GoPro, like GoPro capture, GoPro stop capture, GoPro start recording, and things like that. So you can go ahead and practice some of the commands you think you'll be using. And that's basically how to enable or how to turn on voice commands on your GoPro Hero 9. Now with mine turned on, I'm gonna go ahead and try and give it one command just to see how that works. GoPro capture, GoPro capture, GoPro capture, GoPro capture. Alright, so it worked after a few attempts. My accent is not quite the best, but anyway, at least you know how to enable voice commands for your GoPro Hero 9. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.